What's up, YouTube cleaners? So today I just got a small job this morning. It looks like it's actually would be 3 areas. It's got, looks to me like pet stains throughout the house. I'm gonna go ahead and mix up some undoes it for that because it's so much of it, or else I'd be using the 20 volume. I don't smell odor, but it'll help with that in case something pops up when I'm cleaning, doing a hot water extraction. Then we got some red here, but I'm not sure if that's just like some hot sauce type of stuff or what. But we'll cross that when we get to it. Some brown in there. 20 volume should take care of that. Yeah, so this is for property management. Yeah, there's just a lot of pet stains throughout this house. Initially when you walk in you think, oh, not that bad, until you kind of look and you can see this. Sorry, the lighting isn't so good in here, but looks like pretty much the same thing throughout this room. Yeah, definitely. Right. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to do a pet enzyme here. And get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Out here in Atascadero, California. Right. Cute little place here. A little small house, 1 bedroom. Kind of spacious as far as the yard and all that stuff. It's not bad. All right, well, stay tuned. All right, so I mixed it up. I mixed it 50-50, 50 water, 50 undoes it. And the way they want to do this is to spray it down, let it dwell for 20-30 minutes before you extract. So I'm gonna go, oh, making a mess, man. I have to clean that up. Okay, I'm gonna go around and spray all the spots that I see and get it nice and saturated. Now I'm sure once it gets wet, a lot of times you'll get this whiff that you don't get while it's dry. But this stuff right here, as it dwells, it'll take care of that smell. So that's why undoes is so good. It also helps with the odor. Now, if it was a really odor place, I'd use another product. If it was like odor slapping you in your face when you came into the house. Looking through the camera here, you can actually see the spots better. It's kind of cool. So there's a lot throughout the house. I'm gonna take my time and make sure I hit everything. So stay tuned. All right, now I'm gonna go around with the scrubber and just kind of agitate where I treat it. Okay, so there was a lot. But now I'm gonna go ahead with my process of carpet cleaning. By the time I get to extraction, it'll be plenty of dwell time. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Hydro Force today. I know some of you that watch my videos are probably saying, first you don't like the Hydro Force, you like to pump up, now you're using the Hydro Force, make up your mind. Hey, a person's allowed to change their mind from time to time. The reason why I'm using the Hydro Force a little bit more lately is because when I'm working by myself, it speeds up the process a lot quicker. If I got another guy, I prefer a pump up sprayer, simply because I think it saves the solution. It uses less using a pump up sprayer. But I mean, if you're working by yourself, definitely this speeds it up so much quicker. And you know, and it's actually probably worth it. Just got to train yourself not to lay too much down, and that really helps out. Okay. And we got some vent lines here. I was talking to a subscriber yesterday. He's got a couple of these machines. He's got one of these and another type, but multi-wash. And he was asking me about these side brushes here, if it works out on getting rid of those. You know what? Let me tell you something. When he said that, I was like, light bulb. Never tried it. Never thought about it, really. I guess. So today I'm going to try it. I'm going to run alongside the wall there and see how well it cleans up the lines. And if it does a good job, then hey, thanks. I think Pete, I think his name. All right, stay tuned. right, guys, all finished up. Carpets came out as good as they're gonna come. All the stains, pet stains, yeah, majority of them disappeared, but some just lingered around, you know, and that means that the customer probably used a product on it that wasn't good and set the stain. So you can't really do nothing about that. It changes the color of the fiber itself, you know. So what I did do to help with that is I did a post spray with 20 volume on all the shadowy spots that I seen that may not fully disappeared. And over time, like 24 hours, even 48 hours at times, it'll just disappear or lighten up substantially. There is a red stain right there, red spot. I did treat that with a post spray. I did treat it initially to see what it was, but figured out it is a synthetic stain. And same thing with that. It's a post spray, so you spray it down and then you let it dwell. And as it dries, it lightens it up. I have did videos on this, comparisons between store-bought products and professional grade, and this is what I used today, red stain removal. You know, if that doesn't work, if the customer wants to call me back out to run a steamer on it, I'll do that, but that's $40 a spot, right? And actually to come out here, you know, it'd be my minimum, which is $125. Just to hit that spot. But this is property management, and they just want to get it nice and sanitary for their tenants. So this room came out great. Didn't see any issues. I did hit a few post sprays with the 20 volume also, but majority of it all came up, and you can tell that wall back there with the filtration line cleaned up well. So all right, well, I think job well done. I'm gonna clean up, get everything out of here and do a mop my way out of here and wrap it up. If you like what you saw, if you learned something, or basically just like the cleaning videos, I guess. But I try to educate on this channel on products to use, safe products to use, and effective products to use. So go ahead and like and subscribe and comment. And we'll see you in the next video.